What is going on, Ape Nation? So you guys have been asking about my sister. Quite a few of you have. So she's here now. She's back from Colorado. She's going to tell you all about it a little bit later, and she's got some other stuff to talk to you about. But what I'm here to talk to you about today is what's going on with AMC stock and GME, and to kind of push some of my ideas onto you as I've been doing in the last, well, at least one video, right? But anyhow, we are going to get into this right away, and this is going to be an important video because we're going to be talking about what in the hell we need to do as apes in order to see this MOASS in AMC stock happen, and also in GME stock, of course. But I think they're on the right path. But we, as the AMC apes, still need just a little bit more work to make it happen, well, more quickly. Make it happen faster because we want our damn money. Ken Griffin, where the hell is it? Anyhow, we're going to get right into this video, but before we do, what I need you guys to do is go ahead and smash that thumbs up button so that this YouTube algorithm shares this with as many apes as possible, so that we're all on the same freaking page and not running different plays here, because I think that may be part of the reason that we're kind of stalling right now. Well, not stalling. We're in consolidation, right? And that's exactly what we want, and I'll talk about that a little bit more later. But for now, smash that dadgum like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new, because we need you to do so, because you're going to want to watch the rest of these videos that I'm dropping every single day that are just like this. It's good content. It'll teach you a thing or two about a thing or two, right? Anyhow, so let's go ahead and get into it. Atal Elaine, okay, the name, it may or may not mean something to you. It's one of the first times that I'm hearing the name, but that's because this name has, well, it's tied to GME, but not AMC, but it kind of is tied to AMC. Allow me a little bit of time to explain. Anyhow, this guy, Atal Elaine, I really hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, because I hate to butcher people's names, because people do it to me all the time. My last name's Smith. Anyhow. Atal Elaine buys damn near $200,000 worth of GME shares. Well, what in the hell does that mean? It means that right after Ryan Cohen buys an extra 100,000 shares, we got some updated information that tells us that another guy, the director over at Gamestop, is buying damn near $200,000 worth of shares. Now, is this a lot of money for this guy? I don't know. It's a lot of money for me. It's enough to make me think that this guy is also putting his money where his freaking mouth is, just like Ryan Cohen did. And we saw what that did to GameStop stock, okay? I'm not one of those suckers that's just like, we saw what happened to GameStop. I hate dumbasses that say GameStop. It's GameStop stock. Yeah, one of my pet peeves here. Even my sister says, oh, what about GameStop? And I'm like, stop it. Stop it right now. No, I'm just kidding. That never happens. It's never happened before, for the record. But it could potentially happen in the future. And if it does, please correct us, because that would be a damn shame. Anyhow, my point here is, and it's very obvious, some of you may already know, because if you've been watching my videos, then you already know what you need to be freaking doing every single day, but I still got to keep preaching it to you. We need to be harassing Adam Aaron. We need to tell him, okay, on his Twitter account, tag him in this damn video. I don't care what you do. Tell his ass, start buying back AMC shares. After all, what was your average, Adam Aaron? Around $40-something. Well, AMC is around $20-something, $20, some odd cents, whatever. We're consolidating right now. So maybe you should start buying, and maybe you could potentially make a profit when this thing MOASSes. Will you be allowed to sell? Hey, not my problem. I don't care about your millions, Adam Aaron. I care about our millions. And let me be very clear when I say this. I'm talking about the ape millions. I want each of you, each and every one of you, of my apes brothers and sisters, okay, ape brothers and sisters, to be millionaires with me, gazillionaires, billionaires, whatever the case may be. Depends on how many shares you own, how many shares you keep adding to your portfolio, while the thing is, well, not where it needs to be and not where it should be right now. We all know this isn't the real share price. This is the price that Ken Griffin wants you to see, okay, around the $20 range. Ken Griffin wants you to see that. But we all know where this stock should be. We all know where this stock is heading eventually. It's not going to happen today, tomorrow, maybe the next day, because it's the weekend, you little jerks. So we can't trade on the weekend and make it go up that high. During regular trading hours, maybe in the after hours, but on trading days, it'll happen for all of us. And when that day happens, each and every one of us will rejoice, celebrate, and be so friggin' happy because we'll be filthy rich. You can go to Walmart, buy you some pork rinds, buy you 2 bags of them. Hell, you're rich. You can afford it, boy. Buy whatever the hell you want.
Bananas.
Some bananas. Everybody better be eating bananas. Everybody better learn how to peel your own bananas before that day happens. Otherwise, what are you going to do? Go to your mom's house, your sister's house, and say, hey, can you please peel my banana for me and make me some neener pudding? Yeah. And sometimes that happens to the best of us. Not all of us learned how to do that because not all of us have opposable thumbs. Or, wait a minute, all the apes have opposable thumbs, right? I mean, shouldn't they? If you're a freaking ape, you should have opposable thumbs, which means you should be able to open your own bag of pork rinds. You should be able to peel your own banana, okay? And you should be able to invest in any damn stock you want to invest in. And by golly, I hope that would be AMC, GME, and even SNDL for some of us. SNDL. Yeah, my portfolio looks great this week, okay? And speaking of great, I'm going to let my sister take over because she's got some great news to tell you. And she's also going to tell you about her Colorado trip since you guys really want to know. Yeah, Sandy Dandy, can you take over? Tell them about the Colorado trip, at the end of it. Some of these jerks don't care about your Colorado trip and why you've been gone for over a week and all that kind of crap, and leaving me to tell them, hey, she'll be back. She's just in Colorado. But tell them a little bit about what in the hell is going on with SNDL, which is Sundial, which is a stock you really love right now, and a stock that's making your portfolio look really great, but you actually did not press the sell button, so you're not realizing your freaking gains, your profits. And do you intend on realizing those gains right now? Are you going to continue holding? Or, what in the hell is going on? Tell us. And then at the very end, when she's done, I'm going to tell you, the secret sauce. I'm going to preach to you and tell you what I've been meaning to tell you in the last video. Well, actually, I did tell you that in the last video. Now I'm going to tell you again in this video, but first I'm going to let her talk. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm sorry for ruining your spotlight.
There's so many questions. Okay. So,
do you remember all?
One. So let's start with Sundial.
Yeah.
I've been investing in them for, I don't even know how long.
For a while.
For the longest
You're welcome.
time.
You're welcome.
And they've actually gone up 56% this week.
Yeah.
So that's really good.
Yeah. For both of our portfolios, actually.
Yeah. There is supposed to be another vote with the House of Representatives on decriminalizing cannabis. So we're going to see probably a major change in that after that vote. So we'll see. We'll wait.
Well, what's expected?
It's expected to go up even more.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Stop lying to these people. Listen, my sister wants to lie to you guys. Let me tell you what's really going to happen, okay? And don't get me wrong. She just don't want to hurt y'all's feelers. Sundial is a great stock. I've got it in my portfolio. She's got it in hers. We've got thousands and thousands of shares. I'm sorry for not just sticking to AMC stock on this one, but it's another stock we've got in our portfolio. We can talk to you about it. It can go up some more, but it can also go down. Now, if we're talking about just my experience and what I've seen from these sin stocks, as some people here may refer to them as in the past, what usually happens, because this isn't the first time that these votes come up with the House of Representatives, and normally it's like a buy the rumors, sell the news event, which is okay. It just depends. Like, are you trying to get rich today, tomorrow, or the next day, or are you trying to hold this long term and really make some real money? Now, I do not recommend. Well, first of all, I do not recommend that you follow my advice because I'm not a financial advisor. But if I were recommend, I'm not even going to give you that scenario here, okay? You do not get to use that.
This is for entertainment purposes only.
So let me entertain you, you silly suckers. Okay. If it were me and my money, okay, and if I had a position in Sundial, I would not give a crap if this vote actually passed. It's not expected to pass, okay? This is why I'm saying, hey, this potentially is a buy the rumor, sell the news event. It may tank after this. Maybe not quite tank, but it'll drop significantly. But I'm not going to sell my shares. She's not going to sell her shares anytime soon, which is why we don't give a crap. Because if we gave a crap, I would have already pressed the sell button. So would she. And, yeah, we would have taken those and then, played that whole game, which I'm not into playing those type of games. I've got my shares in Sundial that I really give a crap about. They're really nice shares. They're beautiful. And I want them to continue sitting in my damn portfolio just in case something out of the ordinary happens, like potentially a short squeeze, because that's always on the table right now. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen before this vote goes on. I'm not saying it's going to happen after, but I'm saying that if you're looking at this thing fundamentally, which normally we don't, but in this case, I got in. It depends on where you got in at. I got in cheap enough, okay, and long enough ago to where, for me, it just makes sense to continue holding this position. Like, the money that I'm going to make off of this right now, if I were to sell out or, if this thing goes through, just is not worth it. It's just not worth me selling when I could make so much more money down the road. And I know that money's coming. It's kind of like AMC shares. Do I want to sell on this pop, or do I really want to hang on for this big-ass MOASS that's going to happen? Okay? Did I want to sell at $70-something? Hell no. That wasn't enough money for me. You got to be a greedy bastard in this game if you want to be filthy rich. If you want to be semi-rich, if you want to be, just some average-ass dude, you can sell AMC at $70 when it goes back up there. You can sell it at $80. That's fine. That's your decision, but that's not going to be my decision, because I'm freaking stingy, greedy, and I want the most freaking possible amount of money that I can possibly make. Okay? And that doesn't necessarily mean just with AMC. It also translates into SNDL, Sundial. I'm freaking greedy. I want the most out of everything that I put my money into. And I only put the amount in there that I can afford to lose. Remember that. That's always important. Yeah, that's my disclaimer. Anyhow, guys, my prediction, and I could be completely wrong, don't hold me to this, but if I am correct, I want everybody to come back and start commenting on this video and telling me that I'm a damn genius. I think Sundial is going to fall after this vote. I think that this is a buy the rumor, sell the news event. I do not think that the vote is going to go our way, because this has happened before. That's my point. I'm sorry.
It's the second time they're voting on it, so
yeah.
that hasn't happened before, because it's the second time.
But I've been in sin stocks for a long time, and I've seen this pattern take place over and over. People sin because they're sinners. That's why Adam and Eve had to come back down to earth, and whatever. I don't study the Bible, so I don't know. But
we'll see. It could either go my way or his way. We'll figure out which one it is.
Are you contradicting me?
Yes.
On my own freaking channel?
Yes.
After you've been gone for a damn week, you think you can just come on my channel and tell my people that I'm wrong? Guys, let me know in the comments below. Do you think I'm wrong, or do you think she's wrong? Which one of us is it?
Or do you think that we're both correct in our opinion, to have an opinion?
We can't be both correct. Choose one or get the heck off my channel. But stay subscribed, though, okay? And keep watching all the videos afterwards. Anyhow, guys, I think, is that all we had to tell them?
Oh.
Do you want to tell them about your Colorado trip?
Yeah.
Make this video extra long.
So I went there. I have
You went to Colorado. Crazy stories?
Crazy stories. I have crazy bruises all over my legs and arms, covered in bruises from skiing. It is not my thing. I'll just put it out there right now. And let's see what else. Awesome food, awesome people. Everyone is really genuine and sweet that I came across. That's about it. It was a good trip.
Everyone should move to Colorado, because everyone in Colorado is nice, sweet, genuine. They got the best food. They've got skiing resorts where you can go skiing and really hurt yourself and get bruises.
You love snow. They have snow there, and puppies playing in the snow.
Puppy? Okay, elaborate on that.
I saw a couple dogs over there that played in the snow.
Speaking of
and I got
dogs,
to pet them.
why in the hell have I been I've been taking care of her damn dog for has it been a week?
A week. Yeah, it was a week.
Tell me, please, how in the hell I get a last minute text? Can you take care of Deke? Can you take care of Deke Head? No, I can't take care of Deke Head. And then I somehow end up taking care of Deke Head anyways, having to come over here every single dadgum day, feeding this Deke Head freaking black lab that's huge as hell trying to tackle me, pounce on me, and perhaps hump my leg and pee on me. But except he didn't do that. In his defense, he did not do that, so it's okay. Anyhow, guys, it's Friday night.
I hope you're out doing something then, watching us right now.
The bumper's in the pond going up, down, so I got to get the hell out of here. Hopefully she's got something to do because I'm not sticking around here for very much longer. And we got to go. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, unless you're just a jerky. And don't forget to smash that thumbs up button to piss Ken Griffin off if you are into pissing him off. If you like Ken Griffin, definitely do not smash the thumbs up button, smash the thumbs down button.
If you like Ken Griffin, leave. Or subscribe and like our stuff.
If you like Ken Griffin, smash the thumbs down button to let him know. And I will send all your names. I'll make a list and send all of your names to Ken Griffin later. And say, hey, Ken, these are the people that belong with you. Get the hell off of our channel, you little bastards. See you guys in the next video. You know we love y'all. We're just playing.